Good morning all of you. Our chapter name is hexadecimal number system. Okay, there are four type of number system. First one, binary number system. In binary number system we use two symbol, zeros and 1. Okay, the base of binary number system is 2. Then second one, decimal number system. In decimal number system we use 10 digits or symbol. The base of decimal number system is 10. Then octal number system. In octal number system we use 8 symbols or digit and its base 8. The last one is hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system we use 16 digits or symbols and its base 16. A number in any number system can be represented as number base. In binary we use 0 and 1s, the base 2. Maybe in decimal number system we use 8, base 10. Okay. You are giving a number 8. You know this is 8, but computer cannot understand this is 8. Okay. Computer understand only zeros and 1 form, that is binary form. Then how can we change any number into binary form? Okay. We discussed about how can we change any number into binary form. Okay. This is a decimal form. This is base 8. We want to change this into binary form. First you divided by 2. We are changing binary divided by 2 because the base of binary number is 2. Okay. Then first divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. The remainder is 0. Okay, right here. Then again divided by 2. 2, remainder is 0, then 2, remainder is 0, then write down this one is here. Okay, then you write down to top. Write down the answer down to top. The answer is 1 1 0 0 0 base 2. If you want to change any decimal number into binary number, we have to divide a particular number by 2. Okay, once more example. The 11 base 10. Okay, divided by 2. We want to change this is to binary form. Then we are divided by 2. This 5. Remainder 1. Then again we divided by 2. The remainder 1. Okay. The remainder 0. Then write this one here. Okay. Then write down the answer down to up. Okay. The answer is 11 base 10. Answer is 1011. Okay. You just open your textbook, page number 6 and listen the table 1.1. The answer of base 11 base 10 is 1011. You correct the answer. Okay. Now we discuss about the hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6, then decimal is 10. As the name suggests, this is 10 plus 6, 16. Okay. Okay, we will use total 16 symbol in hexadecimal number system. Okay. Then now we start the counting hexadecimal number system. First, you use 0, 0 to 9 numbers. Okay, these are 10 symbols. 0 to 9, this is our 10 symbols. 10 symbols. Then 10 to 15, we use alphabets. 10 to 15, we use alphabet, that is A, B, C, etc. F. Then A equal to 10, B equal to 11, etc. Okay. Then we discussed about counting hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then after we use A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Then next 10, 11, 12, this 19. After 19 we use 24, 1, A is 10. Okay. Then again 20, 21. Then 30 we use 2A. Okay. The counting of hexadecimal number like this. Then now we discussed about the place value of decimal number system. Okay. The place value is okay. The place value of decimal number is 10. Then base of decimal number is 10. Then we write 10 raised to 0. The power of 0 is 1. Okay. 10 raised to 1 is 10. Then 10 raised to 2 is 100. 10 raised to 3 is 1000. This is the place value of decimal number system. Then how can we explain place value of decimal number system? I am giving number 139 is decimal number. Okay. This is 0th power 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ones, 100, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then now we write, this is the base of 10. Okay. First we write 1329 is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 3 is 3. Okay. Then plus 3 into 10 raised to 2 plus 2 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9 into 10 raised to 0. That is 10 raised to 3 is 1000. 1 into 10 raised to 3 is 1000 plus 3 into 10 raised to 2 is 100. 3 into 100, 300 plus 2 into 10 raised to 1 is 10. That is 20 plus 9 into 10 raised to 0 is 1. 9 into 1, 9. This is 1329. This is place value of decimal number. Understand? Now we discuss about the place values hexadecimal number system. Is okay. 10 raised to 0 is 60 raised to 0 is 1. 60 raised to 1 is 16. 60 raised to 2 is 252. 16 raised to 3 is 4096. For example, E7 base 60. This is the hexadecimal number. Then the place value of hexadecimal number is E is 60. Then 7. That is the 7 60 raised to 0. This is 60 raised to 1. Okay. Then E into 60 raised to 1 plus 7 into 16 raised to 0 is 16. 16 into 16. Sorry students, some mistake. E is 14. Okay. E is 14. Then E into 16 raised to 1 plus 7 into 16 raised to 0. Okay. Then 14 into 16 plus 7 into 16 raised to 0 is 1. It is 224. 14 into 16 is 224 plus 7 is 231. That is E7. Okay. Now we discussed about converting binary number into hexadecimal number system. Before we discussing about decimal number into binary, converting decimal number into binary number. Okay. Now we discussing about converting binary number into decimal number. Okay. First we write for a binary number 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay. The base 2. First, break the binary number in 4 bits. That is 1 1 1 0. That is break the binary number is 4-bit number. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Then 1 2 3 4. Then replace each 4-bit group with an equivalent hexadecimal number. First break binary number into 4-bit group, that is, then replace each 4-bit group with an equivalent hexadecimal number. Okay. Then write down here, this is 0 1 1 1. This is the base of binary number is 2. So we use 0 2 raised to 0. This is 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 4 is 4. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 0 is 1. Okay. Then now multiply by this 0 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. That is 0 into 8 is 0. 1 into 4, 4 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 1. That is 6 plus 1, 7. This is hexadecimal number system, base 60. Stop. Then one more example, converting binary number into hexadecimal number. Okay. First we write binary number 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. First break the number into 4 group bit. Okay. Then 1 1 0 1. First one 1 1 0 1 then 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 0, sorry, first one 1 1 0 1, then next 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1, then 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1. Okay. Then converting this, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. It is 8, 4, 2, 1. 2 raised to 0, 1. Again, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. This 8, 4, 2, 1. Then 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 8, 4, 2, 1. Then multiply. Is 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. That is 8 plus 0 4 0, 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1 11. Okay, again this 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 0, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 0. Okay, then it is 8 plus 2, that is 10. Okay, this is 11, this is 10. Then third part, 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 0, 0 into 2 0, 0 into 1 is 0. That is equal to 8 only. Then answer is 8, 10, 11. Okay, then again is 8, 10 for A, 11 for B. It is 8, A, B, base 16. Okay.